far. There's no more questions on the board. Can I ask a couple questions?
Yes, go ahead, please.
Okay, so in last week's parasha, when Yosef Atzadik came with his two sons to be blessed by Yaakov, Yaakov put his hands in this X shape in order to bless Efrayim and Menashe, but he wanted to bless Menashe with the right hand. Okay, sorry, Efrayim with the right hand. And okay, so in the order that is written in the parasha, puts his hands over Yosef's sons, and then he blesses Yosef. He doesn't give right away the blessing to them. This is the way it's written. So I was wondering, why is this? Is this because, he blessed them in such a fashion because they're, in a sense, considered like one tribe or something like that?
So yes, it's actually not one or two tribes, yeah. So he said that those are going to be like sons to me. So like Yehuda and like Leib and Shimon, right? So he do we start from youngest children? Like when we bless children, you have several children. I think you start with older children. Why did he change the order? I'm not sure. The reason why Yosef came there in order to his children to be blessed. You understand? That was the agenda. And then since he was there, he also got blessed. But the main point was for them to get blessed.
Thank you, Rabbi.
You're welcome.
So about this blessing, the specific blessing that Yaakov Avinu gave to Yosef afterwards, when he blessed him, I believe we say this blessing on the Abdallah. I believe we say this part when he says that should, something like that, I'm kind of paraphrasing it, that should the blessings from above and from below come to you. He says something similar to this. I don't know what is this referring to, from above and below. Blessings from above and blessings from below. What is this referring to?
I'm not sure if you send me the verse exactly. I can look up from. I don't want to speculate because for sure there's a commentary, very clear commentary, but don't remember. But that's how we bless boys, right? With this, you should be like Efrayim and Menashe, right?
Thank you very much, Rabbi.
You're welcome.